Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make spicy masala omelette recipe. We can make this tasty recipe in 10 minutes. This delicious recipe is very tasty with rice or salads. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 3 eggs. Then add 1 chopped onion, half chopped tomato, 1 chopped green chilli, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, some curry leaves. Also add 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, and mix it well. Take a pan and heat 1 tablespoon oil. Then spread the egg masala mixture.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Close the lid and cook for 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, open the lid. We can switch off the flame. Our tasty spicy masala omelette is ready. You can have it along with rice or with salads.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.